Ah now, sun is out, tea is strong, and Mary's after clearing the floor. Hey. There's a band in the corner and a light in the glass. Paddy's got new shoes on, but they're moving too fast. The parish hall is glowing like a Caribbean day, but it's only County Clare now, with the rain held away. Mary says, come over. I say, mind my knee. She says, don't be making excuses. You can jive with me. We're jiving under the Irish sun. We're jiving till the evening's done. We're jiving, sure the whole place knows when the reggae starts swaying, even old bones go. We're jiving, take it nice and slow. We're jiving, let the good times flow. Jimmy is doing footwork that no man understands. Bridie's laughing softly with a handbag in her hands. The young ones by the doorway are pretending not to stare, but give them half a chorus, they'll be sliding everywhere. The kettle's in the kitchen, the cider's in the yard, and Father Joe is clapping slightly off the card. We're jiving under the Irish sun. We're jiving till the evening's done. We're jiving, sure the whole place knows when the reggae starts swaying, even old bones go. We're jiving, take it nice and slow. We're jiving, let the good times flow. No need to know the rules, just loosen up your shoulders and don't fall over stools. If your hips are out of practice, if your rhythm's gone astray, sure the music is forgiving in a soft Jamaican way. We're jiving under the Irish sun. We're jiving till the evening's done. We're jiving, sure the whole place knows when the reggae starts swaying, even old bones go. We're jiving, take it nice and slow. We're jiving, let the good times flow. Jiving, jiving, ah, don't stop now. Jiving, jiving, the rain can wait somehow. Jiving, jiving, from the kitchen to the yard. Jiving, jiving, sure life isn't that hard.